So I got the £4 Asda saw. I'll give it a go on some of these bits of wood here, just to give it a bit of a test out. So most of this wood is seasoned wood. It's been here, laid here for quite a while. Well, for its initial cutting, you know, it's brand new, seems pretty decent. The only thing is, time will tell how long it will stay sharp for, but it is sharp. You know, it's alright for what it is. £4 from Asda's, can't really complain. So that's the initial cutting. Seems to cut right. Can't think of what else I can really test it on than just cutting wood. So while I was down here testing the saw, I thought I'd set a trap up as well. So I've put this one down to try and catch a squirrel. Now, as I came over, I saw a squirrel right in this area, so I've put this trap down. It's got walnut and lentils in it. We'll see what happens, but to be honest, I don't think I'm going to be down here. I don't think I'm going to be down here long enough today to be able to actually get one, if you know what I mean. But it's there. I'll show you the other one. So I've also set up the bird trap. But like I said, I'm not going to be down here for very long. I'm probably going to have to leave before it gets dark anyway, so the likelihood of either of these working today is, you know, not very good really. But I've put the one-way door, the barbed wire door trap down. I've put a big pile of lentils in there, and then loads of lentils on the floor. I normally see in this area loads of female pheasants, So may not, but like I said, it would be better if it was left overnight and then come back the next day. But I can't do that. It's only going to be here from the morning till I leave at about 5 o'clock. So probably won't get nothing, but I thought I'd show you anyway. Looks like we've got an active rabbit hole, I would have thought, just there. I might be able to set up a rabbit trap sometime. So what I normally do is that area there where the barbed wire door trap is, if I don't catch anything, I'll normally just empty the bait onto the floor and then leave the bait there. Every time I come back, the bait's always gone, so hopefully the animals will get used to that area being, you know, kind of a food area. We'll draw them in a bit. So that's what I'll do today. If I don't catch anything, I'll empty the bait on the floor, leave it there for them to have anyway. Right, so I'm just going to check this one, and it's only been a few hours, so nothing in it. So what I'll do is I'll pull these out. Pull those out, and I'll empty the bait where it is, leave that there, and then the animals can feed that, and I'll put the trap here again next time. Same with the squirrel trap. It's a shame, nothing in it, but like I said, only been here for a couple of hours. So what do you expect, really, you know? Shake that off, leave that there, and I'll put this away, and then squirrel can have that, or whatever, and hopefully this will create an area where animals will go to feed, if you know what I mean, and I can put the trap in again.